Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I share easy and affordable beauty tutorials. Today I am hygiene shopping as a mom. I'm a stay-at-home mom, so pretty much everything that I do is as a mom. But anyways, today we are hygiene shopping. I have a list of everything that I need because I do not want to be out all day, nor do I want to buy extra things. But I have a couple of stores to go to. Walmart is just the first one that I'm going to. I like to end off on my favorite store, so Walmart is my least favorite store, so I'm starting here and then we're gonna finish off on my favorite. So let's go in here. I'm picking up the Palmer's Shea Butter Balm and Lotion today. My skin is dry and sensitive, so this is the perfect pair. I'm also grabbing this really affordable body oil gel to give my skin a lasting shine. These are the products I like to use to moisturize, and everything together is under $20. It's definitely holiday season. It was so crowded in there, but I was able to get everything that I wanted super quick. So now we're on our way to the mall because we are going to Lush. Walking into Lush is like walking into an earthy Bath and Body Works. They offer a bunch of handcrafted natural bath and beauty products, and I was ready to try it all. I started off in the shower gel section, going through all of the new Christmas scents.
Ew!
You don't like it?
I like it. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Me too. I ended up going with the Sticky Dates for my shower gel. Out of all the scents, I like this one the most, and I felt like it may have the most longevity. Now, the shower gels range from about $12 to $26. However, the Sticky Dates does have a mini size that goes for around $8.50. I know I'm gonna try the Sticky Dates instead of the Nog. It's kind of, to me, it kind of smelled like honey, but to me it was also kind of faint when I washed it versus the Sticky Dates. It smells really good. It smells like a cookie. I think that'll mesh well with my cocoa butters and things like that, so I'm gonna get that one. They actually have a smaller one like this, and it's $8.50. Since I've already picked out a scent, I decided to just match everything else that I got up with that. So I ended up not getting one of the bar soaps. Some of them smell amazing, but more on the floral side. So I'll probably try one out in the spring. I did also notice that the bar soaps are a little bit pricey. This one smells so good. And it's like squishy. I've never used soap like this. This one is a little bit more expensive. It's $21.55 per 1/4 of a pound. Just like the shower gels, there was a lot to choose from, but scrubs usually irritate my skin. But I am a little more confident in these because the ingredients are so nice and natural. So I decided to get the mini Sticky Dates one to match my shower gel. While I was looking at the scrubby, which is a little buffer bar, one of the associates came to talk to me, and after telling him that I had really sensitive skin, he suggested that I not get the scrubby, but that I get the King of Skin instead to avoid any irritation.
There's bananas to help moisturize, there's oatmeal, fresh avocado, extra virgin coconut. Like, it's heavy on the hydration.
Wow. At this point, I'm pretty much done with the body care, and I moved on to fragrance. They had these salad fragrances, which were pretty cool, but nothing really stood out to me. I love the shopping experience that Lush gives, but there's honestly a lot of products in the store that I just couldn't see myself buying because of the price point. I do feel like you could still get some good quality products from here, as well as from other stores that may be a little bit cheaper. I do find myself questioning the price of some of the products in Lush, as well as the quality. I feel like the overall vibe of Lush makes you feel like you're getting something that's really high in quality. when in some cases the products are pretty standard. But don't get me wrong, Lush definitely has some really quality products, but just not everything is worth it to me. So after trying all of the solid perfumes, I decided to hop over to the body sprays. Now this is what I was really looking for. I love the scent of their body sprays. They have a lot more longevity for a body spray. Now I would definitely say this is a quality body spray, but again, it is still a body spray. So the price for me is kind of iffy at times, but it is a quality body spray. But of course, there's so many body sprays out there. But I will say also that these pair really nicely with perfume, making them a little more worth it than any regular old body spray. So I ended up getting 4 things, which was the mini shower gel, a body scrub, a body butter, and a body spray, and everything came out to around $84. So that's everything that I got on this hygiene shopping trip. This is my second time at Lush. Let me know if you think Lush is too expensive or am I kind of tripping. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We ended up getting donuts after. Thanks again for watching. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.